Welcome to a deep dive into the mystifying history of the Bermuda Triangle, a place shrouded in mystery and speculation. The Bermuda Triangle, stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been linked to numerous unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft over the years. From Flight 19's mysterious vanishing in 1945 to the USS Cyclops' unexplained disappearance in 1918, these incidents have fueled theories and legends surrounding this enigmatic area. Let's see the most famous incident of Flight 19, for instance. In total, 5 torpedo bombers were on a regular training flight, led by Lieutenant Charles Taylor. Their mission included patrolling a triangular-shaped geographical area and deploying bombs as a training practice. It was supposed to be over in a couple of hours. The key fact here is that Charles had never been on this route before. Meanwhile, for his team of 4 trainee pilots, it was just a regular visit. Anyways, as they entered the area, the compass of Charles's plane started malfunctioning, and after a while, he contacted the control tower that he does not recognize the area. He saw 3 tiny islands beneath him, which he, somewhat confused with similar pattern of islands in east of Mexico. His team, however, pointed that they weren't in east of Mexico and were in a different location. But since Charles was the team lead and the most experienced amongst them all, he gave a command to head east in order to reach their destination, which was a wrong choice, obviously, and it pushed them farther from the land. In his last call to the control tower, Charles pleaded that he cannot see land anywhere and that he had limited fuel. He also said that they would land in water if any of their planes pushed the benchmark of 10-gallon minimum fuel. Unfortunately, after that, they were never heard from again. A rescue mission that included 2 planes was immediately dispatched. However, in a rather tragic event, one of those planes also went missing. Various theories abound, ranging from magnetic anomalies and algae reserves to more speculative ideas involving paranormal phenomena and extraterrestrial involvement. In reality, there are various reasons that can attribute to such accidents. Number 1. The area of Bermuda Triangle has relatively higher temperature of water, due to which there is a higher rate of cyclones. How does hot water mean more cyclones? That I will explain in another video. Number 2. The area of Bermuda Triangle has a lot of underwater volcanoes. And when these volcanoes erupt, they release methane hydrates. These methane hydrates float up in the form of bubbles, which decreases the density of water. Since ships are made to float on water's density, this low density causes them to sink. This reason is scientifically accurate, but none of the incidents have given actual proof of this being the reason behind these incidents. Number 3. Hexagonal clouds. When monitored from space, various areas of Bermuda Triangle had hexagonal clouds over them. These were the regions where air's velocity was too high, sometimes reaching a whopping 100 miles an hour. Planes there were going parallel to this air current felt a sudden push, whereas planes traveling opposite to the air current can be destroyed in an instant. However, many scientists and researchers argue that the Bermuda Triangle's reputation is more myth than reality, attributing disappearances to natural causes like weather patterns and human error. It is only logical that if an area has relatively more traffic than other areas, the probability of accidents rises. Though Bermuda Triangle isn't the only area with such case. Statistical analysis reveals that the number of incidents in the Bermuda Triangle isn't significantly higher than other heavily trafficked regions. In fact, it isn't even in the top 3. Yet, the allure of the Bermuda Triangle has captivated imaginations worldwide, inspiring numerous books, documentaries, and movies exploring its mysteries. While the Bermuda Triangle remains steeped in legend, rational understanding reminds us to consider natural explanations and critical analysis over sensationalism. That's about it. Join us in exploring the most fascinating topics of science. Until then, keep looking up.